In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Indiana Jones and the Great Circle renderer setup error English missing Vulkan on PC. So in case you're getting this error with this error message over here, which says English missing Vulkan device extensions, please update your graphics driver or GPU, and then you're getting these exact codes over here, as I'm highlighting right now. I'll show you how to actually fix this in case it's possible for your case. So first of all, this thing usually means your driver does not support the following commands on your Vulkan device, and these are the commands I'm talking about. Either your drivers aren't up to date, which hopefully is the case, and we're going to fix that if that's the case, to have these extensions included. So in case you're getting this error, essentially your graphics card and your drivers of your graphics card may not be up to date, and that's why you can't run the game. Or worst case scenario, your Vulkan device, also known as your GPU or graphics card, simply doesn't support the game, unfortunately. So in case that's your issue, the first thing, so your drivers aren't up to date, I'll show you how to do it. However, in case your device does not support it and you still can't run the game when you do what I'm going to show you right now and update the drivers, unfortunately, you will have to get a new computer, new GPU, or something along those lines. So what you can try first is to download the game-ready drivers from the NVIDIA app or the GeForce Experience app. Or, in case you are using AMD graphics card, you can also use the AMD Adrenalin app. I'm going to show you both. Now, to update these drivers, what you want to do is download and open up this app over here, which is called GeForce Experience. You can simply Google this. It's called NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and then you can download it to your computer. You can also download the NVIDIA app, which is essentially pretty much the same application, just a bit updated. In here, you want to create your account and go to drivers up here. So you'll have kind of this home button over here, and then you have the drivers button. You want to click drivers, and then over here on the right, click on this three dots and select Game Ready Driver. Click on that and then press check for updates. This will start loading, and then you should get this download button over here, and it should say NVIDIA Game Ready Driver. For me it says Studio, for you it should say Game Ready Driver. Press download, wait for it to install, it will do that automatically, and then once that's done, try running the game. Same thing can be done with the AMD Adrenalin. I'm going to show you over here. So this is this app in case you have the AMD graphics card, and it's going to look something like this. And over here you have an ability to update in case you don't have your drivers updated to the latest version. Now once you've done this, and if you still can't run the game, there's two more things you can try doing, okay? I'm going to show you, however I can't guarantee this will work. The first one is to open the game as admin. Now if you're using Steam, I'm going to show you how to do this on Steam. It's very simple. The first thing you want to do is close Steam down completely. So simply close it down, go down here, right click it over here, and click Exit Steam. Now once you do this, you want to right click to your taskbar over here and click Task Manager. In here you want to look for Steam yet again, and in case there's anything showing in here, click on everything and press End Task, and on this one and press End Task. Once you've done that, you want to go to the search box, type in Steam, right click it, and then press Run as Administrator. Now once you do this, your Steam app will run as admin, and essentially every game you launch via Steam will then run as admin as well. So what you want to do in this case, once Steam opens up, you don't want to open up the game from your desktop in case you have a shortcut, but open Steam as admin, go to Library, look for your game, click on the game over here inside Library, and click Play, the green button over here. And hopefully this will fix the issue for you. If it doesn't fix it, what you can also try doing is clicking Library up here inside Steam, right-clicking on your Indiana Jones game, and pressing Properties, going inside Installed Files, and clicking these Verify Integrity of Game Files button over here. So click this. It will scan for any misfiles and any bad files inside your directory, and if in case it does find something, it will fix them, replace those files, and hopefully you'll be able to play the game. So once you've done that, you can simply press play and see if that works for you. If it doesn't, unfortunately, it means that your GPU doesn't support the game and you'll have to find another solution. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.